In this guide, I'll show you how to fix packet loss in Counter-Strike 2. So the first thing I recommend you do is restarting your home network by unplugging the power cable from the back of your modem or router for 30 to 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. In addition to that, using a wired connection over Wi-Fi is always going to provide a more stable, fast connection for your internet. Now, another thing you could do is decrease network congestion. So if you have 20 devices connected to your internet, it's always going to be slower than having less devices connected to it. Now, if that doesn't work either, head on into in-game, and you want to press escape on your keyboard and select the settings cogwheel in the top left corner. From here, you want to select game at the top, and you should see buffering to smooth over packet loss. Now, if you're experiencing packet loss, rubber banding, what I recommend you do is change this from none to one packet and see how it feels in game. If you're still experiencing rubber banding and such, try 2 packets and that should fix your issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.